We're the Huston sisters.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with the Huston Sisters. So today I will be making a crock pot loaded baked potato soup. I'm going to let you guys go ahead and continue watching the video. I will add the ingredients in the description. I hope that you all enjoy, and I will see you throughout the video. Hey y'all, if you are enjoying this video so far, make sure you go ahead and help support us and click that like button so other people can see our videos as well. And also, if you have not done so already, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when we post new videos. We try to post new videos at least twice a week, so we want you to be able to see them when they drop. Also, make sure you go ahead and check out our Instagram and our website after you watch this video. All links will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for continuing to watch. Stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you go ahead and share, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.